Here I'll show you some simple steps on how to set up your Wi-Fi on your Ring Video Doorbell, and I'll be showing you my favorite feature. Kit includes a rechargeable battery with a charging cable, hardware with tool, user manual, and back mounting plate with Ring security sticker. Here's a glimpse of the live video feed. Here's one of my favorite features, an option of using male or female quick reply messages.
Please leave the package outside. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Take the recharging cable and plug it into the charging port in the rear. Note, you do have the option to hardwire. The orange button is the button that receives the Wi-Fi connection. Be sure to fully charge and connect to Wi-Fi before installation. Here are the steps on connecting to the Wi-Fi before installation. On the back of your device, click on the orange button to receive Wi-Fi connection and download the Ring app on your phone. Follow these steps installing. By following the app instructions, the blue light on the Ring indicates a successful connection from the app to the Ring device. Now we'll follow the prompts on the app and I'll walk you right through it. Now that we successfully installed the Wi-Fi connection, now let's look at how the Ring app looks and sounds on your phone. Hi. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.